Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Well, today I am sitting in a 2018 Mitsubishi Pajero or Shogun, depending on where you are in the world, and I'm just going to show you how to update the two clocks. So by two clocks I mean this one here on the main screen and also that one up there on the secondary screen. So as you can see, these are about an hour and 5 minutes apart at the moment. So first off, I'll show you the main entertainment center or screen. So first off, go back to your, if this is the menu you're used to, we're just going to go, you can either go through the settings menu or you can go to the clock. When you're in the clock, just tap on the screen anywhere and it'll bring up your clock settings. This is where you can change the type of clock and also the time and date. So it's on manual mode, can be on auto, but just hit over here on manual mode. We can adjust the date over here and the time here. Now this is correct on the car, so it's actually the other screen that we're going to change. So just go back, take you back to your clock. Now up here you'll notice info, there's a few buttons that reflect whatever's in the boxes above, and then there's an adjust button there. We're just going to hit adjust once and then that's got clock adjust. Hours, minutes and set, don't have to worry about set, we just go 1 hour forward, then we're going to go 5 minutes forward, and then we'll just go back and hit info, which takes us back to our screen. Now you'll see both the clocks are saying the same time. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Check out some of my other videos. Feel free to leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel.